Looking for tips to excel in your AP class and AP exams? Well, look no further. In this video, we will share some tips to remove some of that stress. How's it going? It's Javier from Get Schooled, and we're your free college and job advisor. We're posting new videos every week to help you with your college journey, so stop what you're doing and hit subscribe to get our latest videos. By now, you have heard that AP classes and exams are challenging, but don't let this keep you up at night. We have created an article with advice on things that you can do before the class starts. This includes buying an AP prep book and reviewing the class syllabus. Doing this is a great way to set yourself up for success. We also go into detail about what to expect once the class starts. This includes different ways that you can stay organized, how to find supplemental resources, and advice on why using practice tests will help you succeed and prepare for the real exam. We also have a bunch of tips and resources on how to study and prepare for the AP exam, and what to expect on the day that you take the test. What are you waiting for? Click that link in the description below or head over to getschooled.com. You can also text hello to 335577. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See y'all later.